Huh?
Give it to me!
Ah!
Oh.
The strong, firm hands of a fighter. Yet they possess a certain elegance and grace.
How can you know? I'm wearing thick gloves.
Okay, Cloud. Let's see what you're made of. After that, we'll talk. So, which course will it be?
Let me see what you offer. Oh. Poor man's course, standard luxury. I think I shall go with luxury. Absolutely. I got the money.
Then make your way to the room in the back.
I'm gonna impress her.
And wait. Cloud?
Yep, don't worry about me.
This exclusive treatment is reserved for our most well-to-do patrons. First, the hand cream. A generous coating for each and every one of your richly deserving fingers. Let's start with the tips. That's it. Relax. I'm only
He's
here
thinking to
help.
himself, is this sex?
Oh, oh,
Oh my god.
Did that hurt?
no.
Then I'll move on to the base of the fingers. Let's see if we can't improve your circulation and get that blood flowing. No, don't
Oh my
fight it.
god,
Stress is
Cloud.
poison to the body. And finally, some gentle stimulation to the palm. No more than a touch. Just like this.
Bro,
Oh, what was that?
it's just a
A
hand.
cry of pleasure? Is this how you like it?
Oh my god, the
How about that?
fangirls are gonna go crazy over this footage. Ah!
Or maybe this.
Ah! He's so for real right now. But is the implication that in reality he
If that was to your liking.
not my
do
poor
come
little
again.
innocent Cloud.
Right.
No. I think maybe not, because like, I mean, Cloud is a naive, innocent man, and maybe she just saw, like, she knew that, so she thought, you know what, I can rip him off, I can just give him a hand massage instead. I'll still get my money.
How was it?
Look at him. Hello?
You
Cloud! Hello?
Yeah.
Damn, he's
You're
combusted.
acting weird, Cloud.
I am.
Really weird.
Think you'll make a habit of it? All right then. I think I've seen everything I need to see.
No,
So?
no, this is not how
Tell
I
me what
am
you
after a
want,
massage
and
at
we'll take it from
all.
there.
I'm normal, like him. Cloud,
Sure you're okay?
you a weirdo. Now help me.
You're one of the trio, right? I want to get into Corneo's next audition.
And why in the world would you want to do that? Okay.
Okay.
Really?
But you cannot go dressed like that.
Huh?
I could never send Corneo a candidate wearing such a plain-looking getup. Doing so would call my position as one of the trio into question.
Is something wrong with my outfit?
Will she also get an exotic outfit now? Huh. It matter what I think. I don't know. Looks comfortable.
It's comfortable, isn't it?
Cloud the fashion critic.
Yes.
Look, just take it outside the parlor, would you?
Sorry, we'll stop. So, what should I do about the outfit?
You just leave that to me. I'll put you in a dress so fabulous, you'll look like a million gil. So long as you can afford it.
More
much?
money?
What I said. But don't worry.
A million?
It's obvious you can't afford a dress with that kind of price tag. So listen, I have an idea.
More hand jobs?
There's
hand
an underground
massages, I mean.
coliseum in this town. Up for a fight, Cloud? Good. Because I'm getting you into that arena.
Of course we're
If
gonna
you
do the
win the
Colosseum.
tournament, I'll transform Eric
I
into
have
a drop-dead gorgeous
misspoken!
beauty.
I wasn't gonna say
Any prize
that!
money?
But it's obviously implied in this
Yes,
place!
for the person who got you in. So, what do you say?
Don't clip it,
All
don't
right.
clip it.
That's what I like to hear. You'll need this. They're already letting fighters inside. You should hurry. Run along.